Here's a quick guide to guilt. Let's begin with the light. These are the ways guilt helps you grow. The ways it signals that your actions didn't match your values. The ways it invites repair, responsibility, and a return to who you want to be. And these are the ways guilt can turn into self-punishment. When responsibility becomes shame. When a single action becomes a defining story. When the desire to make things right becomes a belief that you don't deserve forgiveness. Underneath both sides, guilt is trying to protect something tender. Let this question help you stay honest with yourself. And if you choose to act, let it be gentle. Take what you need, leave the rest.